What it do, YouTube? Let's cook some breakfast. Today I'm gonna be cooking up some home fries that are gonna be nice and crispy. Got some eggs. Sausage is my protein for this morning. I'm gonna throw some onions and bell peppers in there as well. Pay attention to the ingredients on the screen. First step I did was chop my bell peppers so I can go ahead and rinse them off real good prior to me dicing them up and mincing them up. Once I get done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and dice up my onion, get those cooking, and while those cook down with butter, I'm gonna throw the potato in there right after. So as I'm chopping my bell peppers here, I get some help from my kiddos here. And I wanted to take some time out of this video to kind of explain to all the parents out there, especially the fathers out there, that might be a little hesitant to get in the kitchen. And even the ones that are in the kitchen, get your kids involved with your cooking. They'll appreciate it, I promise you. They get so excited to help, and I'm telling you, they'll learn these skills and cherish it for the rest of their life. So keep your kids in the kitchen if you can. When you're cutting onions, please rinse them prior to cutting into them. My daughter had a little case of the tear ducts going off because of the strong aroma that comes off your onions. So that didn't stop her for too long because she made an epic comeback and rejoined the team and was excited to watch and crack these eggs. And watch out for her dance moves because she is very entertaining. She gets really excited, and it's the cutest thing to see. So, with that being said, we're about to throw all this in the oven, throw our butter in there, throw our bell peppers, and our minced onions. Let's go. Now, I'm gonna point out a few mistakes that I made because this is a show where we ain't cutting no corners, and we're gonna keep it real, you know what I'm saying? So, I was rushing to make this, not gonna lie, so I had the heat up a little higher than I liked, and I feel like having oil in there probably works a bit better. You'll see later on, after I put the top on this and you know the potatoes are in there, they kind of get stuck to the bottom, the bell peppers and whatnot. So please grease your pans, keep the heat on medium so you're not having to worry about it cooking too fast and sticking to the bottom of the pan. You'll see. Enjoy the rest of the video, and if you learn something, please subscribe, yo. We're doing this cooking thing, we learning together. Next time I show you how to make this, it's gonna look, taste just as good or even better this time, yo. So enjoy the rest of the video. Peace.